whether every person that we meet in life has a role. Of course, and not only people. Every particle in creation, from the still, the vegetative, the animate, and the speaking, they all have a role, otherwise they wouldn't exist. A role in relation to us, that too. And maybe we can't exactly say what is their role and why do we need these people and how should we relate to them, but this is how it is for sure. Is there some higher plan of who we're going to meet? All of us live inside of nature that is round, closed, whole and complete, with endless degrees and interactions and interconnections between all of its parts. And we're a part of that. And surely we cannot digest this entire great, big, truly infinite system. But it is whole and complete, perfectly interconnected, where it's impossible for anything to move without everything else moving accordingly. And this is how this entire system is headed towards a whole, perfect, and complete state. Whole, perfect, and complete state means that all the parts of the system that all belong to one of the 5 parts that are called root, 1, 2, 3, 4, in Hebrew, Shoresh, Alef, Bet, Gimel, Dalet, or still vegetative, animate, and speaking. And they're all moving in a direction where they don't all become one, but they connect and as if become one, meaning that in relation to all the parts that are participating in this, there is a law of connection that is revealed between them up to the point of love, so much so that everyone's interdependent, everyone's important, everyone is in mutual love. As it says that the wolf shall dwell with the lamb, so everyone understands that they're a part of the same body. And just like I can't harm my own body, I can't harm any other part of creation, not even the smallest or the most distant ones. Some people say that whoever we meet in life, we have to learn something from them. What do you think about this? To learn, I don't know if to learn from them something, but to learn for myself. What do you mean? How does each and every person influence me? Can you explain? When I look at people or any other phenomenon in life, I want to know what is its source in the general global system that includes not only this world, but all the worlds. And how am I supposed to respond to what I feel from experiencing a certain phenomenon or a certain person, and how do I mark their place in the general system?